Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hema and you're watching The Wonder Mom. In today's video, I'm going to clean this washroom which hasn't been cleaned from the last 1 month because it was closed and we were out of town. So let's get set and go! When it comes to the washroom cleaning, you must invest in something that is particularly designed, made for your washroom. I mean, you can use detergents and whatever you were using before, but as I use this product recently, it surely saves lots of time and cleans really well. All you need to do is pour the solution on the scrub or the brush that you have. Just scrub a dub all over and just rinse it and you're done. So here is the home tip for if you don't want to use detergents or any cleaners for your washrooms. All you need to do is make a paste with the vinegar, white vinegar and the baking soda in the small proportions and apply it on your taps, on your sink or even on the floor. But the trick is you need to leave it for 15-20 minutes and then you can scrub it and everything will be shiny. Another home tip, if you don't want to use Colin or any other glass cleaners, all you need to do is take white vinegar and dishwash gel, make a spray and you can spray it all over on your tiles, even on the mirrors, and it will definitely get rid of all the gunk and the grease. So now let's do everything in a fast mode. And as you can see, the most of the gunk and the dirt that accumulate is nearby your drainage. So don't forget to give it a good scrub. And we are done. That drainage is looking super cool, super clean. Yes, and let's put everything back to its place. This is the picture of how this washroom looked before. Most of the things like this laundry basket has been decluttered. I have given it to the scrap wala. All the empty boxes is gone to the scrap. Yes, most of the things like plastic bottles and everything you can recycle. You don't need to just dump it in the garbage. Do not keep so many things on the sink. Use organizers. And this is how it looks now. Squeaky, shiny and clean. Cleaning is my favorite way to relax. I clear things out, get rid of the stuff I don't need. And when the house is clean, I feel less stressed. If you have watched it till here, I request you to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't. और अगर आपको अभी थोड़ी सी motivation आ गई है, so I'm sure you're gonna run and go clean your washroom. एंड इफ़ नॉट आप देख के ही थक गए होंगे, है ना। तो अभी हम इस वीडियो को ख़त्म करते हैं। अगली बार फिर से मिलेंगे नई वीडियोस के साथ, कुछ नई क्लीनिंग मोटिवेशंस के साथ। सो बाय बाय
बटरफ्लाई।